Vajra is a haven where the timeless principles of traditional Kerala Ayurveda and the transformative Panchakarma treatments harmoniously blend with the regenerating power of nature and the serene atmosphere, creating a truly revitalizing experience and a blissful destination. The captivating vista of the Western Ghats, embraced by lush forest, serves as a delightful feast for both the eyes and the soul. Originating in the Shivagiri hills of the Western Ghats and flowing nearby Vajra, the Periyar River as the main water source holds medicinal properties, adding to the area's natural allure. The renowned St. Thomas Church, a revered pilgrimage site, is situated in Malayatur, is in the close proximity to Vajra, adding to the spiritual significance of the region. Vajra is conveniently located just 21 kilometers away from Cochin International Airport, while the famous elephant kraal Kodanadu is a mere 10 kilometers away from this tranquil destination. Just a few steps away from Vajra lies the renowned eco-tourist point, the enchanting Mahagani forest, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in nature's symphony and captivating beauty. The birthplace of Adi Shankara, Kaladi, is located approximately 15 kilometers away from the retreat of Vajra, making it a nearby destination to explore the spiritual heritage of the renowned philosopher and theologian. The Vajra's campus boasts a picturesque setting featuring a charming traditional building encircled by cozy cottages and a refreshing swimming pool, offering a delightful and serene stay experience.
Thank you, Vajra, for giving us this opportunity to participate in your Panchakarma treatment and to experience the offer that Vajra has in terms of medical care, good meals, excellent accommodation, and an even better location.
Very exciting place, and when one reviews a place like this, you have to look at the accommodation, the Ayurvedic treatment itself, the people, the staff, and then one can talk about the whole effect of these three things on one's health at the end of the treatment.
A shared library for knowledge seekers, an open yoga hall to rejuvenate the mind and body, and a spacious vegetarian cuisine restaurant, all coming together to create a truly enriching and unforgettable experience. The retreat's concept revolves around fostering a state of relaxed well-being, promoting optimal health for all its participants.
Vajra, as the name suggests, diamond. Namaste, this is Dr. Aishwarya Padmanabhan, the Chief Physician from Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat. As the name suggests, we are here doing with the services of Ayurveda and Yoga. This Vajra is situated in interior of Malayatur, almost into a forest region, very close or nearby an eco-friendly place called as Mahagani Forest. We are having 300 meter within with a river passage, and also the Coordinate Elephant Tour program is also near to us. It's hardly 22 to 23 kilometers from the nearest Cochin International Airport. As talking about Vajra is a place where a very pollution free with good air, good water and good food, organic food which we are providing here. We have got an proper diet with all the treatments or therapies, mainly with the Panchakarma therapies and other Kerala Ayurveda treatments done over here. Along with clubbing with the yoga, we are also having yoga retreats, customized yoga, therapeutic yoga packages.
I came here because I was looking for a quiet place and Ayurveda treatment. Consultation with doctors, Ayurveda treatments and Ayurveda medicines and amazing Ayurveda food.
Kerala's reputation for Ayurveda retreats have made it one of the world's most sought after and popular wellness destination, drawing visitors from far and wide.
I've just finished my treatment and stayed here. I had a really lovely time. The staff are absolutely amazing. Food is really delicious. I had my consult with the doctors and they looked after me every day. I feel heaps better and I would really highly recommend anyone come here. It's a beautiful space and it's just a really lovely time.
Ayurveda, the ancient medical science, has been practiced in the world for over 5,000 years, making it one of the oldest and time-honored healing system in existence. Ayurveda operates on the fundamental principles of Panchabhutas, Tridoshas, Saptadhadus, Trimanas and 13 types of Agni, creating a comprehensive and holistic approach to health and well-being.
Nice environment, the staff is amazing, everything is incredible, the food, Ayurvedic food. I'm doing this treatment, detox treatment, sometimes our life will get so full of toxins and it's important sometimes to stop, to detox the body, things. So I'm doing this massages and heat treatments and I'm feeling very safe with the team, doctors and cookers and all the stuff.
The unique combination of Panchabhutas in each individual give rise to a distinctiveness and individuality, shaping our physical and mental attributes in the realm of Ayurveda.
I'm being here at this place, this beautiful place, Vajra Yoga Ayurveda place. It's beautiful. I arrived here a few days ago, 3-4 days ago. I'm pretty sick, not feeling very well. And now, after a few days already, I feel the difference inside my body, inside my mind. I'm a lot calmer. Everything is really quiet, serene here. The treatments are really beautiful, very helpful staff, and well, it's a really a recommendation to come here.
At Vajra, you can experience the essence of traditional Ayurveda through authentic treatments accompanied by natural herbal medicines meticulously crafted within the center itself, ensuring a holistic and genuine healing experience. When this delicate equilibrium is disrupted, it leads to various issues and challenges that affects our well-being in different ways. Ayurveda plays a pivotal role in restoring and balancing these elements, thus effectively aiding in disease prevention and promoting overall health and wellness. Our specialities lie in offering authentic traditional Kerala Ayurveda treatments, including the transformative Panchakarma therapies, among other enriching wellness experiences to nurture your well-being and rejuvenate your body and soul.
For me, it's the first time in Kerala, in India and in Kerala. I arrived here in this retreat center and have a different type of package, different type of treatment. All of them are made with very professional things and on my body have a very relaxing output and all of them are quite different and I feel now very
Rejuvenated.
Yes, rejuvenated. I try to, I would like to enjoy it myself.
Yes.
And I try to do with the doctors all the different type of treatment
Yes.
to enjoy my body, my mind, and in this place where you are in the forest without noise of cars, cities, and so on.
The day at Vajra commences with the reverential prayer to Goddess Tenyundri, deity of Ayurveda, followed by yoga sessions complemented with meditations, offering a wholesome approach to healing both the body and mind.
So we are here for his birthday for almost 7 nights, and we also have our wedding anniversary. Yeah, so it's really good chance for us, right, to be here. So basically we are here for me. I have a lot of problem with my back, especially my upper back and my lower back, and also like bloating, indigestion, and many things come from stress. And you?
Yeah, about breathing.
Breathing. Yeah, you have asthma, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we just kind of like make the most out of it, that we use this opportunity to treat us inside out. Yeah, so in Vajra, they offer a lot of the treatments in the holistic way based on Ayurvedic medicine, as well as the internal medication and external medication with the very good amount of time for follow-up consultation. So we feel really, really good that we have a practitioner taking care of us throughout our stay. How was the food?
Really amazing, actually. Yes, this is our first time in India, and we fell in love
Exactly.
with it. Yes.
Yeah, I actually a carnivore. I love meat. However, here the food, vegetarian food is
No
not.
problem.
Yeah, it's no problem. I can have it, and also you give me egg, so it's also very nice. Yeah, it's kind of like very nutrition dense that you eat small amount, but you feel full throughout the day, and you can adjust the food according to your sanity. Yeah, and the health condition also. Yeah, and the treatment is not only the massage; it's more holistic than that. Like example, like what you get the enema or like the natrium. Yeah, that can treat you from head to toe. Yeah, so thank you so much.
Vajra provides a serene environment where you can enjoy the peace and tranquility of unpolluted air and water, making it an ideal retreat for relaxation. Our accommodation options are designed to cater to diverse preferences, offering 3 categories of rooms, including budget rooms, deluxe rooms, and cozy cottages, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable stay for all guests.
Ben buraya geldiğimde kendimi iyi hissetmiyordum ama fakat gün geçtikçe daha iyi hissetmeye başladım. Yemekler gayet güzel. Personel gayet ilgili kişilerdi. Yani söylenecek tek bir şey yok. Kendinizi aile ortamında hissediyorsunuz.
To enrich the experience of our guests, we organize traditional cultural programs and engaging activities, allowing them to immerse themselves in the vibrant heritage and charm of the region.
Shivanam nirayum pranabam chinmaya roopam toludu vanangi tiruvadira ravidil. Shivanam nirayum pranabam chinmaya roopam toludu vanangi tiruvadira ravidil. Devahidam devi mukham teliyum venchandran pol adirayai paadi varu raavil nee paarmudi ninni pookoda jaati aadidam sahi maare paarmudi ninni pookoda jaati aadidam sahi maare. Shivaram nirayum pranabam chinmaya roopam toludu vanangi tiruvadira ravidil.
Bonjour, donc je viens de Paris. Alors après le métro boulot dodo parisien, après le Covid, après tous les traitements chimiques qu'on a reçus, quoi de mieux pour se relaxer, pour retrouver l'essence de la vie que de bénéficier de la meilleure et de la plus ancienne médecine traditionnelle que nous avons au monde, c'est-à-dire la médecine ayurvédique. Alors Vajra Ayurveda, donc mon anglais n'est pas si correct que ça, mais ils arrivent à me comprendre, bien que je ne parle pas bien l'anglais. Donc l'équipe, elle est extrêmement professionnelle, elle est aux petits soins, ils sont à l'écoute, tous les traitements sont personnalisés, ici, les yeux fermés, ayez confiance, je ne suis resté qu'une seule nuit, 2 jours de traitement, je vois la différence, ils vous mettent à l'aise. N'hésitez surtout pas à venir, que ce soit pour 3 semaines ou pour une journée, ils trouveront le moyen de vous faire bénéficier de cette médecine que nous n'avons pas en France. Voilà, merci.
Apart from the Ayurveda retreats, Vajra offers specialized yoga retreats for groups along with relaxation techniques and counseling sessions. We take pride in preparing a select range of special medicines tailored for our patients and guests, ensuring personalized care and nurturing healing journey at Vajra. The ritual of Sandhya Vandanam performed every evening is regarded as a sacred pathway towards attaining salvation or moksha, symbolizing a profound connection with the divine and spiritual liberation. At Vajra, we guide you through a transformative journey, cleansing and rejuvenating you on a physical level. Embracing the Ayurveda way of life, you will discover the opportunity to take a break from your routine, shed old patterns, and create space for adopting new and beneficial habits that nurture your well-being. Here, the transformation and healing process encompasses the physical, emotional, and spiritual dimensions, allowing a comprehensive and profound renewal of the mind, body, and soul. For more details, contact Vajra Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat, Mulamkuri, Malayattur, Ernakulam, Kerala, India. Phone 0484 2925 041 +91 79 94 44 0609. Email info@vajraayurretreat.com. Website www.vajraayurretreat.com.